you're going to say it. Come on,
tell him, man, to her.
Your slider come down. So you walk.
So I want a man to tell me what to do my things.
You walk now.
Yo.
I want a man tell me that.
Yeah, you see, if you never say bicycle, if you do something more important, you can't say bicycle, brother, if you go buy pussy, brother.
So I go sell it, man, don't go now. Wait for me.
Just
need it.
Just to go buy pussy?
So I go sell it and go to club look come over. Go brag. Man, don't tell me nothing. Feel me one.
You can't sell that. Because you better can't guide know. That me I tell you. I make a hide it right now. First one, you can't sell that. Can make a hide it. 10,000.
10,000 so enough.
Yeah. One, so now one broke him and get for 10,000.
I done. 5,000 I get the broke for. Less than that.
What? Yeah, you know. Yeah, but you can get 2 broke on that.
Come in. Where I say?
That's the pit here.
Yeah.
It's one of the most automatic pistol remote control. There is 2 minutes. You in jail? God, stay by the wayside waiting on you. Eh? Shh. Shine your girl in trouble to a man. Shine eye. Oh.
Look who I see this morning, TikTok Jerry.
How this TikTok?
A man can marry a man.
Yeah.
I'm going to live with him forever and throw him away. Pampas. Even nature is against them, you know. Fire! Fire burn. Fire burn. To that.
What with that? J.A.
J.A.
We don't deal with them. We don't deal with Transformer. We don't deal with Homer.
I met girl bad.
Yeah.
Them love the girl. Oh yeah. In her clothes. When she disclose.
Put in her hole and make she ball. Oh, there with Jerry and a Jerry Springer. Oh, there with Jerry and a Jerry Springer. Hello. One legend with Jerry, Chris Record. Big up Chris Record for me.
Big up Chris Record, you know. Chris, yeah, man, power man.
Yeah, man.
Love child, Chris Record.
Yeah.
Militant, yeah. Big up and...
Yeah, you know what you have a big movie star, yeah.
Money we are dealing. Yeah, thanks. You get 2.
Yeah, man, that's easy, man. Let
me can ask question.
Easy, of course.
Question, I ask. So, them something, you know, we have to do things, you know. And we have the time. Thanks.
Nah, link us there.
Yeah, I go up on yard. Come I go for the bicycle, yeah. Your guide, you know.
You are going to circle in a Jerry while
yeah,
they're
there, man.
Be too juicy.
Yeah, oh, you mean, man? Let me
the man in my ear love the Jerry. Things about you because you want money. For what? What? So what are you going to do if you can't get money if you go buy pussy? You say bicycle dog? The bicycle there, no?
Man said, be down, come back, me have the money to give you. You think I joke me, make? Look and say me I come back with this guy.
But you can't carry along to
why? You know, go see?
Them now, soon go hide it?
You can't move. Yeah, go see?
Anything you go be me hide it?
You can't.
So what you know? You have to bother me today. No, you have to bother me so you go sell. So I'm going to hide it right now. What? I don't want to give you. Tomorrow you go buy pussy, brother. Keep your bicycle. Tomorrow you go buy pussy. Keep your bicycle.
No, man. You not tell me what to do, man. Me don't know, you know. Me don't know you, you know. Me don't know, you know. So you fuck if you come and tell me what to do. I mean, know it. It's easy. You face it. Eh? You can't tell a man what to do with it. Eh? Face it.
Yo, usually man.
You see me now fuck you all I want me to call if you make me 50 me. No have to fuck you and call me yard when you have fuck because now I get gunshot.
Anytime nobody get nothing and you feel like you're on the roller, disrespect me all the while again. Train a chest and chop
it. This bumbo hole though. I come from right now, man. Come so me around him know him and press the car fast and fast.
This is blood clot.
They go suck you, man. I'm not coming in your car bumbo hole.
This is your hobby.
You go for sense.
A style.
A style. You go notice that we will want to ride as a
boy. Oh God, Patu, man.
You come like you're so far to sit where you have to get in life and you're so far.
And it's alright, man.
This is Obi, this is
Yeah, man, drink cool blood clot, eye cool and rub out weed and this me today, man.
Don't drink ice.
Remember say today is Sunday, you know. Remember say today is Sunday, you know. Dinner today, you know. Jackfish, you know, and chicken, you know, where you go?
Them back there with the drinks are full back in the head. Him bother get none of them drinks.
Okay, come again. Okay, come here. Okay, come here.
Just cool, man. I'm capture myself. Come here. I mean, I shot him out 10 people. I want to tell Neil now, say, I'm me and Mark put him there. So, we have to get him back out. No wonder the whole house. I'm not telling you, so I can buy a house out a lot of money. Look much house buy out a lot of money. All right, left. But you don't know where you tell people about people. I catch up people. I rent you play down there, sir.
No man, yeah.
Stop consider for rent. I don't want nobody rent with.
Man, live with you, my man.
No, but I don't need. I wait till you will not develop a thing. But are you going to tell him and tell me? So you tell me people at I place. And at the same time you have your take it tell me. And I tell your friend them. How comes me catch I place? You want a scandal? Yeah. Answer me here, Bertie. I want a scandal. Scandal and talk, man.
Full of lyrics, fuck.
No, that's time you want to see if you no, not sorry for me, man. No, me, man. Alright, he shot him out for when he come here, I tell you to be your right, he shot you for you. I'm out place, you live? Right, no. Man, can't give you no notice. Take a brother off I can't talk. Nobody make them feel like say, yeah, shit, they can't. Now you don't know them feel already. Yeah. Yeah. Dry dog it there. Yeah. Use the power. Use the power. Yeah, Rasta. Yeah, Rasta.
Good
God.
Wet up your shirt like this. Right now. Lucky man I hold me on here. Thump me down, thump me in my ear. You know him? Face and rent. It's not sure, it's not the same out of it. I'm not telling you father, but it's not sure the neighbor. Never place a normal lady, mother, they leave him. And come out there. They don't want to pay me. They my room for $3,000. They don't want to pay. They don't want to borrow themselves and go out there. They want to go on to me a kind of way. Want me to machine up? Want me to machine up? What's up in face and see?